Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable side button to wake Siri on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this upfront informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now there are two ways you can use to do this. The first approach is go ahead and open settings. Scroll down the settings page, click on Siri. Under Siri, locate and click on talk to Siri. And then if press side button for Siri is enabled, go ahead and disable this. Then if you go ahead and press the side button of your phone, then if you see Siri is no longer awake. Alternatively, to disable side button from waking Siri, all you simply need to do is go ahead and open accessibility. Scroll down, locate and click on side button. Now under side button, locate, press and hold to speak and set this to off. So if Siri wakes like this and you choose to set this to off, you press the side button, then you should say Siri disabled. And that's it. So that's exactly how to remove Siri from side button on iPhone. So if you found this upfront informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.